You take it out of the package and you've got really nice packaging here. So one thing that I love about these, and the reason that I wanted to go ahead and try it, is that it's completely wireless. There's no underwire at all, but it still has enough structure and support with the foam cups that you should get pretty good coverage. So this model has adjustable straps here in the back, so you can actually cross them as well, which works great if you're wearing a racer back. It also has the removable foam pads in here, so if you don't want that added support, you can remove that, or if you prefer not to wash them with it in, you can remove it there. I personally do like that, just to kind of give some additional coverage, especially if you're wearing like a tight blouse or something, you know, a t-shirt. So let's go ahead and try it on and see how this is going to fit. Oh, in that size I've actually got 4, so these are closer together than your normal bra would be as well. All right, let's go see it on. Here it is on. So as you can see, it fits really well around here. I am a 32D for reference, and this is a size medium, which was a small size that was available when I ordered. And it did say that this size would fit for 32A, B, and C. So I took a little bit of a risk with that, but sometimes I'm between a 32C and a 32D, so I went ahead and went with it. Given that it's not too tight, and I'm on the smallest clasp setting, and it does fit my cups well, I don't know that I would want to wear this as a 32A or B. I think it might work well for like a 34B, but I'm not sure if you had a smaller band size and the smaller cup size that it would be very comfortable, unless you really do like to wear your bras a little bit looser and not need as much support. So this color is the crystal pink, which is very light, but a little bit pinker than a nude color. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like with a t-shirt on. So as you can see, this works perfectly with a v-neck top. Even with the crystal pink with a white t-shirt, it works great. You're not seeing a lot of color come through because it is kind of more of like a neutral pink. No lines at all for the cups. It's very flush against my skin, so it fits comfortably. Everything is smooth. I don't feel bunching or pinching or anything. I can bend over, I can jump. Everything feels very nice.